This is a meditation for all the fathers in our lives. Fatherly figures come in so many varieties of humans, and this meditation was written in honor and inclusive of them all. So, get comfortable, close your eyes or lower your gaze, and let's honor all of the fatherly figures in our lives. Allow your body to be quiet and still. Feel yourself root down through your seat and grow nice and tall in your spine. Begin to deepen and lengthen your breath, taking a few moments to feel your body in your space. When you're ready, bring your fingers to the space in between your eyebrows and begin to gently tap or rub small circles here, bringing awareness to this area. After a few breaths, relax your arms and now cross your hands over your heart. Think for a few moments about someone in your life who looks after and protects you. Someone that loves you beyond measure and always wants what's best for you. Someone who makes sure you know you are seen, heard, and loved every single day. Maybe it's your father, or maybe it's someone else. Maybe it's your neighbor, or a friend, a coworker, or even your brother. You get to decide who feels like a dad to you, and they don't have to fit inside anyone else's definition. Think of the image of this person and picture them inside your heart. Just by imagining this love for them here in your heart, you are able to send that love across time and space to anyone, anywhere. With every breath you breathe in, your love grows even more. And with every breath you release, you create a little more room to keep growing your love for them. Keep breathing deep, long breaths in and out of your heart space, feeling your hands rise and fall as you breathe. Sit quietly and take a few moments to find the joy in all the love you have for your fatherly figure. Pause and take as many breaths as you need here. when you are ready, gently start to bring movement back into your body by wiggling your fingers and your toes. Now rub your hands on your arms and legs. Gently open back up the eyes. All the light in me sees all the light in you. Namaste, yogis.